Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today we're at the Orchard Hotel, Singapore, part of the Millennium Hotels Group and located at the far end of the renowned shopping district of Orchard Road. The hotel lobby and two-story atrium features an iconic clock tower as well as the restaurant and lounge. The 35 square meter premier room is the lead-in category room at this hotel. Immediately to the left is a decently sized bathroom, featuring a drop-in bathtub, separate standing shower, and hotel-branded bath amenities. Moving on, the room features a king-sized bed. Although it appears to be a Hollywood twin, the bed was nonetheless comfortable. A bank of half-height windows offer decent amounts of natural light. Our room unfortunately did not have a view of Orchard Road. There is a single fabric armchair with a simple wood side table, next to which, beneath the TV, is a work desk and grey fabric chair. The 40-inch LCD TV sits opposite the bed. Moving on, there is a glass-topped minibar counter, where you will find a kettle, bottled water, and coffee and tea sachets. Teas are by Raffles Lighthouse. There is also a mini fridge beneath the minibar counter. Lastly, the wardrobe contains bathrobes and an electric safe. Now let's head out to explore the hotel facilities. The gym is rather compact and features 4 treadmills. However, 2 have been blocked for social distancing. The pool is decently sized and next to the gym. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the premier room at the Orchard Hotel Singapore. If you liked our content and would like to see more, please do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.